This is a small overview of some of the business models that are in practice in the business world. There are quite a few options that are available to us entrepreneurs. The ones that I came across so far are distributor, open business, long tail, bait and hook, franchise, manufacturer, free, retail, multi sided, freemium, and subscription. Out of this list, I want to elaborate further on two of these types: manufacturer and subscription. The first model that I will elaborate on is the manufacturer business model. The term manufacturer, also known as manufacturer direct or factory direct, refers to a business model in which the producer or manufacturer sells its goods directly to the end user. A few examples of this business model are John Deere and the company Dell. There are both pros and cons to using this business model. Some of the pros are stronger customer relationships, degree of control of pricing, more customer access. Having the power to reach your customers directly is invaluable in the business world. Getting firsthand feedback on products and services gives you more control over your product as a whole. Some of the cons of this business model are it can be expensive, time consuming, you have limited coverage, and it can be inconvenient. Going into the workplace to contact customers directly can be expensive. There will be a need to hire salespersons. This means more money that you have to shell out to pay extra staff. It is also time consuming. Setting up times to pitch your product to end users, you have to work around their schedules, and this can be inconvenient for both parties. This also limits the coverage you have. You can only reach people you can contact directly and hope the news travels by word of mouth. The second business model that I will elaborate on is the subscription business model. The subscription business model are based on the idea of selling a product or service to receive monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. A few examples of this model are Netflix, Dollar Shave Club, Trunk Club, and Beatport. There are both pros to cons using this business model. Some of the pros are it's convenient, you have a predictable revenue stream, customer retention, data gathering, auto renewal, and manageable stock control. This model is both convenient for both parties. It allows the supplier to know how much revenue will be coming in for a particular period or the length of the subscription. This also keeps you with a customer base for that allotted period. With technology today, it also allows you to automatically gather data to show what the customer really is using and how frequently. This allows you to manage your stock easier. Another feature that is available is auto renewal. This is a feature that when the subscription period is over, it automatically enrolls the customer for the next period. This is great for you and somewhat great for the customer. Set it and forget it in a sense. But what if the customer does not want to renew their subscription? Then it will be their responsibility to opt out before the period ends and they are charged for another set. There are both pros and cons using this business model. Some of the cons are less upfront revenue, products can become devalued, and non repeat customers. With subscription based models, you have less revenue upfront because the payments for your products are usually smaller but on a month to month basis. This may not be a bad thing unless you need money to keep things going regularly. This product can also become devalued because it is automatically being sent to the customer, which will make them forget that this is a product that helped to solve a problem that they may have had before the subscription. Another con is customers opting out after one subscription period. This slows income and the overall forward progress of the business. In summary, there are many options available to entrepreneurs when choosing a business model. There are pros and cons for every model. Doing plenty of research will help you to decide which model is the best fit for you and your venture. I hope this has been informational and helps you to understand things better. It has been a pleasure, and I thank you for this time.